We have come here from the World Bank and we have a team which has come here to look into the Tamil Nadu Health Systems project, where we work with the government and support the government, and we work in partnership just to monitor the activities and to see how the activities are going. That's why we are here. And with the project we work in partnership, and it's not only monitoring but also we are trying to learn what is working very well in Tamil Nadu so we can replicate it in other states of India which are not doing as good as Tamil Nadu. So that's the purpose of the visit. So we are putting in around 217 million US dollars for a period of 7 years, and the project is finishing off in September 2014. And the good thing is the government of Tamil Nadu is picking up a lot of the activities that we were doing under this project, and especially I'm really pleased to see that the tribal health activities have already been taken up by the government of Tamil Nadu. And it seems that they are really keen to take up all the other activities which they have started. We are working with HMIS and HMS as well as the non-communicable disease control. And for that, if we pick those up early, then there will be less spending. So Tamil Nadu government and this hospital, and other hospitals, we are working with taluk hospitals, non-taluk hospitals, the GH, all that is in Tamil Nadu, and I think all of them are really working well and they are trying to improve every day, and what we see is the improvement that's happening here.
Thank you.